to another video on my channel. Today's video is a tutorial of eye makeup that I created using my Profusion Cosmetics Mixed Metal Peach palette. That's the big name, I keep forgetting it. So here is the palette. This palette is a part of a set which also comprises of a liquid lipstick and a lip liner. The liquid lipstick is a metallic one, and overall the entire combination of the set is very, what can I say, sober and complementary. Like they really coordinate well. So these are the shades. The palette says there are 9 matte and metallic eyeshadows. So there are basically 2 metallic shimmer eyeshadows, 2 satin finish eyeshadows, and the rest are matte. I just couldn't wait to try this out when I received my parcel from Nykaa. And so let's get started. So I'll start the makeup with my favorite foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me in shade 310. I prefer dotting my entire face rather than doing part by part because I'm more comfortable with that. I use a beauty blender next to blend out the rough patchy look that was created due to blending with my fingers. Since I'm aiming to create a sober and everyday kind of look, so I'll be using only a blusher to create some dimension on my face and avoid contouring, which I prefer in a more glamorous look. I have oily skin, and as you can see my skin is still very shiny at places and I am not very fond of that, so I'm going to matte it out using the Fit Me powder. You can skip this step if you don't mind the shine. Next I'm going to use this shade that I'm pointing out at to intensify my blusher a bit. So next I'm going to use this shimmer brick from Miss Claire to highlight my cheekbones and basically the high points of my face. Pardon the condition of my camera, it just don't focus stubborn that way. I'm going to use my fingers for this. I really don't like using a fan brush. It seems to go haywire like the shimmer spreads everywhere. I'm going to do my eyebrows with the Nicka K eyebrow gel in brown. It's very pigmented and it does give a very beautiful finish, but because it's a gel formula, it takes quite a long time to shape and draw your brow and blend it out. The process is quite tiring and long. I'm going to work with the lighter shades in the palette, so just to make them pop better, I'm using the Rimmel Scandalize eyeshadow in taupe as the base. I'll just buff it out with the blender so that it doesn't look very streaky and the color adheres better. Next I'm going to use the Profusion Cosmetic Mixed Metal Peach palette to complete my eye makeup, and it's going to be a very subtle everyday wear look. To make the eyelashes look really thick, I'm going to tight line my eyes first using the Nykaa I Am Bold Kajal. Now I'll be using a brush for doing this, as the kajal itself has a very blunt head and it's very difficult to work on the lash line with that. Ecstatic is a peach shade with some shimmers, and I'll be using this all over my eyelid as well as use it on the lower eyelid, and that is going to be the base shadow. Next I'll be using the shade Wannabe, which is a pink with some bluish holographic shimmers in it, and I'll be using this in the inner corner of my eyes. Next I'm going to use the shade Outspoken, which is a matte terracotta brown, though it appears as maroon in the video. I'll be using this for the crease, and for that I'm using the Profusion Cosmetics blending brush that is part of the set I bought. The quality of the brush is exceptionally good, and to get a brush like this within 1400, which is the price of the entire set, is like a really good deal. The next shade that I'm using is Outgoing, which is a light beige brown color, and this is going to be used for blending out the eyeshadow and softening it up with a fluffier blending brush. Next, I'm going to use the shade Special to further darken the crease of my eyes. It's a cool tone deep brown. This is followed by a pencil brush with some kajal on it to darken the lash line. I'm using the Super Volume Mascara from Nicka K just to make sure my eyelashes looks really long and voluminous, because that's going to be the highlight of the look. I did my lips with the Profusion Cosmetic Peach Lip Liner topped by the metallic lipstick, as you can see, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you really liked it, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.